G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, materials being wetted to help highlight the colours. The white that you're seeing there's a light reflecting. Okay, I've just zoomed in a bit. These two pieces down the bottom here are Koroite material. We'll slice into some nice stones. Resting pattern. The other piece is typical nut. Got a band of colour running around the outside there, and then running around here. Something like that, I'd suggest you cut like this and then grind that down and see what you get with from the outside in. That's one possibility. Or if you want to just go for the pattern, you can just cut it like this. This piece is just a nice face of potch and colour. A bit more over this side. Again, some seams of colour inside there. That there. Cut that off through here. So you save that piece on the outside, then you've got this face here to play with. Another face there. And the resting piece. What you'll find in there, I don't know. Probably end up with nothing much out of this piece. A bit of mauve purple on the end here, but this needs to be ground off and see what's underneath it. This, I call it caramel potch, is quite often an indicator of better material. Last but not least, here's this piece here. Again, perhaps it's just a practice piece. Anyway, it's basically those two pieces of Koroite, the gems in this, I think. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.